What up guys, it's Will from Jordan Bikes and today I've got for sale this Yamaha FZ8N. Absolute belter this, really clean, lovely little bike. However, let's give you some facts and figures first. It's a 13 plate, it has done 2,958 miles. It has a couple of cheeky extras, so it's got the little fly screen up front, levers, got a bit of protection on the side, rad guard, the Akrapovic can there, tail tidy. It's got some lovely extras go with it. Finished off in this satin silver. It's cracking. Let's turn it on. See that before I start it. Let's give it a whirl. Super smooth as always from Yamaha. Sounds awesome. But how much is all this? £4,590. What more needs to be said? Nothing. Get yourself down to Jordan Bikes and just give us a call. Cheers.